guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you enjoyed my previous bedsitter tour, house tour apartment video. Yeah, so for today I'm just going to create a small space inside my bedsitter apartment. So hope you enjoy. Let's get straight to this. I have this old chair that I'm gonna paint into gray because my table is gray. Then I'm gonna change this rusty looking like cloth and have another cute cloth on top of it. Yeah, so let's just see how I'm gonna transform this chair into a very cute chair. It looks old, as you can be able to see. Yeah guys, so for this seat, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut off an old t-shirt that I don't quite use. Just sewed this piece of cloth and I'm just cutting it. Then after that I'll just be able to place this cloth over this piece of seat. Yes, as you can see, I'm just placing it over, and then I'll try and make sure that it's fitting until I get the desired look that I want. So guys, as you can see, I think this chair was made with some staple pins, but I'm gonna use this. So let's start fixing this. Done. A task. Sometimes I could just nail and then the small nails disappear from my hand. So guys, you have to be careful when maybe nailing this piece, and also be careful of your hands, because sometimes it could maybe hit my fingers. Yeah, so guys, maybe if you're going to try this method, just be a little bit careful. So guys, I'm not yet done, but this is how it looks now. Yeah. So I'm just going to put on multiple nails, small nails, so that it can be able to fit well. Yeah, so I've just nailed. It's not looking that perfect, but anyway, this will do. And this is how it looks. Here I'm just mixing the paint since it's been quite a while since I used it. So I'm just mixing the paint, then as you can see, I'm using the crown paint. Yeah, and it's gray in color. It's gray in color. So I'm done applying the first coat to the chair, and it's not actually looking that good. This chair was just so difficult to paint. I don't know why. I'm not sure. I'm not a painter, so I'm not sure why the paint wasn't blending. This is the back. I have to blend here a little bit. I think I used a lot of paint. I just hope it will turn out great. This is the first coat, guys. So I'll leave it dry for a few minutes so that I can be able to apply the other coat. I don't know whether it will need like 3 coats, but let's see. So guys, I'm going ahead to apply the second coat. Let's see how if the color will improve. Yeah. I'm done with the third coat, the second coat, guys. Hope you can be able to see the difference. Although it's not that smooth, there's a little bit of color. So I'm just leaving it to dry. Once it's dry, you'll be able to see how the color will look. Yeah. Guys, I finally have my office space right there inside my little small apartment. That's how it looks. That's the final touch, and I just love the way the chair blends in with the table. So that's how it looks from this corner. Yeah, that's how it looks. Let me just give you a close-up look. That's the final look, guys, on how the chair is looking like. I really love it. So guys, I have my small office right here, so let me just set it up so that you can be able to see the final look on how it will look, on how it looks when I put all my office stuff. I hope you enjoyed the video. I created this small office space so that I can be able to have at least somewhere to edit my stuff and all that, because before I was doing it just on my chair, yeah, and it was really it was really tiresome. Yeah, so I just decided to buy a table, and as you saw, I did DIY this chair. Yeah, so guys, I hope the video helped, and I hope you got some tips on maybe how you can be able to, if you have an idea on how to create your own space, kindly comment down below. Let me know what you think about the video, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So bye.